Hi everyone and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm off to one place called Govardhan Eco Village, which is about 2.5 to 3 hours drive from Mumbai, and it is a place which is completely in the lap of nature, and we are driving down there now, and more on the place over there. So joining me is my dear friend Sunita. Hi Sunita, hi. Sunita, have you been there before?
Yes, a couple of times I've been there. It's beautiful, worth a visit.
Yeah. So let's see and let's explore that place. They're going to be there for next 2 days. So more of it over there.
See you.
See you. So I took National Highway number 48 via the Western Express Highway to reach Wada. It's about a 2.5 hours drive from Mumbai, about approximately 100 kilometers from Mumbai. So after we checked into the reception area, we were directed to our cottage in this golf cart. You're usually, this is the mode of transport internally within the eco village. Wow. This is called a room with a view. After that long drive, I was really hungry and it was time for some lunch in this awesome setting. This sattvic food is offered to Bhagwan Krishna and we eat it as prasad. And it was the most mind blowing lunch that I've ever eaten. Simple yet sattvic. Post lunch, I was out exploring various parts of the Govardhan Eco Village. Hi, so we have finally reached Govardhan Eco Village. You can see the surrounding, it is so very beautiful. And now we are just taking a walk around the village, Eco Village. So join me. Nestled in the foothills of the Sahyadri Mountains, this walk was an amazing walk in the lap of nature. I came across these beautiful banana plantations and various other plantations throughout Eco Village, and it really refreshed and rejuvenated me. To refresh and rejuvenate your tired muscles, you can get some amazing Ayurvedic massage treatments at this Ayurvedic spa at the Govardhan Eco Village. They have created a miniature of the original Vrindavan Dham, which is in Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh. So they have created several temples, recreated several temples, obviously in miniature form of Vrindavan, like Radha Madan Mohan Mandir, Radha Raman Mandir, Radha Gopinath, Radha Madhav. So all these mandirs which are originally in Vrindavan Dham, they have been recreated here in miniature forms. Also Barsana Mandir, where Srimati Radharani was living, her place of birth, those mandirs have also been replicated here. So we will do a little tour of that. Not just that, but Giriraj Govardhan has also been replicated. You see that buggy behind me? This is how they give you a tour of the eco village here. But I'm walking.
Devata, as the son of Anasuya, Vishnu became Dattatreya as the son of Anasuya, and Lord Shiva became Durvasa Muni as the son of Anasuya, Mataji. But by the way, while going through that, you came to test me.
So a lot of groups of devotees have come. They are doing their own darshans in various mandirs. Some are sitting in some mandirs doing Krishna Katha, some are doing Kirtan. So it's a very ecstatic, divine and a peaceful atmosphere here. So behind me you see is a replica of Manasi Ganga. The original Manasi Ganga is in the Govardhan district of Vrindavan Dham, Braj Dham as I would say. So this Manasi Ganga had manifested by the mind or the will of Lord Krishna. It just appeared. Lord Krishna said, I want Ganga on this spot, and the Ganga appeared. So that's why it is called Manasi Ganga, because it appeared from the mind of Lord Krishna.
बंदी ग्रह के तुम अवतारी, कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी। बंदी ग्रह के तुम अवतारी, कहीं जन्मे कहीं पले मुरारी। किसी के जाए किसी के कहाए, है अद्भुत हर बात तिहारी। किसी के
This is a replica of the famous Radha Madan Mohan Mandir. Located on top of the hill, the views from this Radha Madan Mohan Mandir are just mind-blowing. A beautiful depiction of Krishna and his friends playing on the banks of the Yamuna. So Vrindavan is incomplete without Yamuna ji, and here we are on the banks of Yamuna that has been created here. Now we will witness a most beautiful, divine Yamuna Aarti. Jai Jai Shri Yamuna ji ki Jai.
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन।
Yashodanandana Vraja Jana Ranjana. Hi, good morning, people. So today I've come to the nursery, plant nursery of this Govardhan Eco Village. There are several varieties of plants, trees, fruit trees, different varieties of flowering plants. The plan is to plant some trees today. Some of my friends have already planted some custard apple trees. So probably when they grow, we'll get custard apples from those trees. So I'm thinking, which trees should I plant today? This is the Gaushala or the cow shed, and there are these beautifully taken care of cows here. And right now they've just grazed in the nearby hills and come, and so they're not letting us feed them at the moment because they are well fed.
They're hungry for love from all of you. Of course, touch them, hug them, kiss them. You can adopt them.
I love this. See, she's posing.
प्रभु जी हम लोगों ने किया तो वो ऐसे सिर मार रही है हाथ लगाओगे बस
महालक्ष्मी च इदं न मम ॐ महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मीः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं महालक्ष्मी.
So after 2 wonderful days at Govardhan Eco Village in the lap of nature, I'm completely rejuvenated and refreshed to go back and start my week ahead. I hope you liked this vlog, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you.